They've got 8 shots on goal on the previous opportunities. Looking to get one by Montembeault. Marchand all the way through. Keeps it on his tape, curls into the slot, and shoots and scores! Brad Marchand! On the night they honored him for 1,000 points, he makes it 1-0.
Isn't that just poetic? Look at how he just circles the wagons, full control, and then waits. Okay, there's a screen in front. Reinhart takes the eyes away from Montembeault, but it's all Marchand. Whips around, and the Panthers finally break it on a power play goal. Another look right there.
He is on pace for about 48 goals this year. Incredible. He points to the family who's here.